Assalamu alaikum viewers, I hope all of you are fine. Welcome back to my channel Zani Study Instruments. Here all students who are doing master or BS in English can seek help. Our today's course is Greek literature and I'm gonna tell you about the topic Electria, important MCQs. Very important MCQs. Before starting this video guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well to get notification of my new videos. And video अच्छी लगे तो please press the like button and share my video with your friends. The viewers who have subscribed my channel are requested to watch the video till end so that you can understand the full topic. If you don't understand, please tell me in the comment box. If you need another topic, please tell me in the comments box. You will get the same topic in the next video. Zani Study Instruments, Literature in Pakistan. Now I'm gonna start the topic. Greek literature, Oresteia. Multiple choice questions. First, in which city does the Oresteia begin? वो कौन सा शहर था यहाँ से Oresteia start हुआ? Messenia. Second, who is the first character to speak the Oresteia? First character Oresteia में जो बोला जाता था, the watchman. For which family member's sake did Agamemnon go to Troy? फैमिली मेंबर में से वो कौन था कि जो चाहता था कि Agamemnon ट्रॉय चला जाए? Menelaus. Fourth, what goddess demanded Iphigenia in sacrifice? Artemis. What had Clytemnestra placed at all the shrines in the Messenia, offering to the gods? 6. According to Clytemnestra, where are the signals that the man on the roof was watching for, on the top of the mountain? According to Clytemnestra, where are the signals that the man on the roof was watching for? Clytemnestra के मुताबिक कहाँ पर सिग्नल होते हैं जहाँ से मैन छत पे खड़ा होके देख सकता है? ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द माउंटेन्स, यानी कि पहाड़ों की चोटियों पर. वाई इज़ द हेरल्ड सो जॉय? हेरल्ड क्यों बहुत खुश था? ही इज़ होम इन मेसानिया, क्योंकि उसका मेसानिया में घर था. वट गॉड डज द लैडर ऑफ द कोरस प्राइज फॉर एगामेमनन विक्ट्री? जियोस था जो एगामेमनन की विक्ट्री पर बहुत खुश था. अबाउट whom does the chorus ask Herald for news? Menelaus. 10. How does Agamemnon make his entrance? In a chariot. 11. To whom does Cassandra initially cry out? Apollo. 12. For what does Aegisthus the gods in the 5th part of the first play? Aegisthus गॉड ने पहले ड्रामे के 5वें हिस्से में क्या चाहा? जस्टिस, इंसाफ. For whom in the chorus crying out to return after the death of Agamemnon? Orestes. 14th, who accompanies Orestes to Agamemnon tomb in the beginning of the second play? Pleiades. 15. To whom does Electra pray while at Agamemnon tomb harms? 16. What does Electra find on her father tomb? Electra ने अपने बाप के टम्ब से क्या यानी कि तलाश किया, क्या उसे मिला? A lock of Orestes' hair. 17. Who commanded Orestes to seek vengeance for his father's death? Orestes ने क्या कमांड किया वेंगेंस सीखने के लिए अपने बाप की डेथ के लिए? अपोलो. Where was Orestes when he was told to avenge his father? Orestes कहाँ था जब उसने अपने बाप से बदला लेने के लिए कहा? The oracle at Delphi. डेल्फी में था. 19. What false news does the disguised Orestes give Clytemnestra? Orestes is dead. 20. And last, whom must Clysa fetch? Aegisthus. गाइस, ये था हमारा आज का टॉपिक, ग्रीक लिटरेचर इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs अबाउट Oresteia. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक बटन एंड प्रेस द शेयर button with your friends. Share my video with your friends and please subscribe my channel and as well press the bell icon as well to get notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.